Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 20L. Today I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. Firstly, open Google app, then tap More. Go to Settings and Google Assistant. Tap on Assistant, scroll down and select Phone. Make sure this option is on and this option is on too. Then tap here to turn this function on. Now we can lock our screen and simply say, "OK Google, what weather is like tomorrow?"
There'll be showers with a high of 22 and a low of 13.
And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.